Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the casting source so you won't disable the wrong device. Check Connected Devices list on your router or in the Casting Targets menu. Once done, open the app currently casting and pause or stop playback. Make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network so controls appear. If you can, unlock the casting device and close any mirror or screen sharing apps to prevent auto reconnect. This prepares you to remove the cast cleanly. Next, disconnect from the receiving device by tapping Stop Casting in the Source app. If that fails, open the receiver's input or casting menu and select Disconnect or Forget. Then disable the underlying service. Turn off AirPlay on Apple devices, disable Chromecast on Android/Chrome, or toggle Miracast off in Windows. This prevents automatic reconnections. While you're here, reboot the receiver briefly to clear any cached sessions and make sure the cast status returns to idle. Finally, remove the casting source by uninstalling the Screencast app or disabling the browser extension from the device that initiated it. On smart TVs or dongles, remove paired devices or factory reset if needed. Revoke casting permissions in account settings so apps cannot auto-discover receivers. Once removed, restart both source and receiver, then test by attempting to cast. If a device still appears, clear app cache or reset network settings. Troubleshooting tip: if reconnection persists, power cycle all network gear and recheck device lists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.